Founder of Mega and Omega Group of Institutions, and along with him, the Vice Chairperson, Mrs. Dr. Kasireddy Malati Reddy Ma'am Garu. Now students, it is very important for us to know how grateful they are, how outside group of institutions, right, is unstoppable. From a small, institution, the man with outstanding qualities but seems to be very down to earth and approachable to any kind of issues that are related to education. Now I welcome Malati ma'am, learn and know about the efforts they made. They are standing right in front of us. It doesn't mean that they are the common man like you and me, right? They have some special qualities in them. And we are very much delighted that they have accepted our invitation to take time to attend and inspire you with their presence. So it's a big round of applause for them for taking time for this event. And she has done many feathers in her cap. So for example, few of them I would remember, like it's okay, Rani Rudrama Devi Award, the winner, right, and the Rabindranath Tagore Award. She's blessed with, and it's not a small thing. The person who is right standing in front of us is here to motivate us. Now let's listen from both of them to get inspired and follow their path. Thank you.
So to all the faculty members, Dean, the journal in charge of all the junior colleges, the principals, Elite and other junior colleges principals, dear faculty members, dear students, and my dear innovators, right? So a hearty welcome to all of you to today's Smart Nation Fair, am I right? 2026. So a great hard work. I'm seeing your hard work, your creativity, your critical thinking through your models that are going to that are exhibited today. So a great round of applause to all of you for your wonderful work. The Smart Nation Fair 2026. It is, what are the inspiration quotes? Innovate. The theme is innovate, ideate, inspire, and impact. Good. So this is needed for the society. This is needed for our nation, right? So you are the nation builders. So these ideas, these small ideas, will develop into a great innovative ideas tomorrow, right? With these small steps, small models, small projects. So they may develop into a startup companies tomorrow. Right, so some social development challenges. So these ideas are more important. So these small models and projects are very important to build our nation. So as you all the nation builders, so great round of applause to again all of you for your ideas, for your smart work. So whoever are participated, very good. And those who are going to go around and see the projects or models. So don't just simply look at the models, look at their hard work, their vision, their ideas, the participants' ideas, the vision, and the dreams behind the models and the projects. Okay, so don't just simply look and pass, right? Take the ideas, take the inspiration from them. Okay, so I hope this projects, exhibition or fair will be a successful one, grand success. And the lecturers, faculty members, whoever are taught them behind this program, are mentored all my students. A great round of applause to them. They deserve the applause first. So you have really given them a platform to show their creativity, their knowledge. Okay, so you have proven them that the knowledge is not just confined to the classroom teaching, textbook teaching. It is the practical one, right? So these type of fairs or exhibitions remind us the knowledge just will not confine to the textbook or classrooms. It will beyond of the textbooks and classrooms, right? So thank you all the faculty members and thank you dear students. Okay, so you have done a great job and looking forward a great exhibition or fair. So once again, I proudly declare that the Smart Nation Fair 2026 open. Thank you.
You could hear Madam's precious words of your hard work. That's where you are going to achieve the greatest, right? Okay.
Once again, happy morning to all of us. Yeah, very good job. Wonderfully aligned. Okay, all your projects, models I went through, I've gone through and your explanation I've listened very carefully. So it is wonderful, amazing work, right? Okay. So all the hard work is paid off, right? Your hard work is paid off. I think you have planned for yesterday itself, but due to that band, it is postponed to today. I hope you have got some more time, one more day extra to work hard, right? Yes. So all the applause to you, your hard work and your mentors' hard work. A very good job, and your principal hard work. Okay. So anything, what did you learn from this? What did you learn from this? Okay. Yes. ఒకటి రైట్ ఒక్క వేలు ఇలా ఉంటే మనం ఏమైనా అచీవ్ చేయగలుగుతామా లేదు when all combined what we can achieve మనం ఎంత దీని అన్నిటిని కలిపితే ఏమవుతుంది పిడికిలి కరెక్ట్ yes this shows your teamwork leadership qualities your administration skills your creativity okay problematic thinking practical knowledge etc right there are many adjectives which can follow right so I hope you understand the things very well నువ్వు ఒక్కరివి ఏం చేయలేవు అందరూ కలిస్తే ఏదైనా సాధించవచ్చు am I right so believe in the teamwork that leadership qualities okay so those will help you to innovate more things right as I said earlier so today's small idea will lead into tomorrow's a big innovative startup company right ఈ రోజు వచ్చిన ఒక స్మాల్ ఐడియా రేపు ఒక స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీనే మీరు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయొచ్చు am I right or wrong there are n number of startup companies which initial గా చాలా తక్కువతో గ్రో అయ్యి ఒక యూనికార్న్స్ అయ్యాయి యూనికార్న్స్ అంటే ఏంటో మీ ఫ్యాకల్టీ చెప్తారు రైట్ ఐ థింక్ 1000 crores కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఒక ఇయర్ లో వాళ్ళ ఇన్కమ్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యూనికార్న్స్ రైట్ so today's your small idea may lead to tomorrow's a unicorn okay so wish you all the best great hard work thank you so much so lastly innovate మీ థీమ్ గురించి చెప్తాను innovate with a purpose అవునా ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది ఏదైనా పర్పస్ ఉంటేనే కదా innovate with a purpose ideate with courage తో ideate దాని ఐడియాకి మలచండి and inspire the nation impact your younger generation thank you so much god bless you all great job
That was truly blissful, ma'am. Thank you very much. Based on the speciality of tomorrow, like it's 26th July. What is the importance of 26th July? It's a Kargil Divas Day. Now we have a few of the second years are going to perform a skit. Taking a holiday celebrating the national festivals. It's about holding the courage that our great soldiers. Sophia from CEC second year. Riva from CEC second year. Riva from CEC second year. Varanya CEC first year. Varanya from CEC first year. GVR Navteja, CEC second year. A big round of applause for your friends. You Karthik, CEC second year. D Tanush Gaud from CEC first year. Yes, Dheeraj from CEC first year again. Yes, Dheeraj, CEC first year. Chaya Thakur for the economics exhibit from CEC first year. Chaya Thakur from CEC first year for economics. E Moksha Sai. E Moksha Sai. Pratigna. Pratigna, Vinesh Verma, assembled on my right, all the students. N. Tarun, Abdul Khaliq, N. Tarun, Abdul Khaliq, Mohammad Aslam, Mohammad Aslam, Nabodeep, Farhan from MEC. Mohammad Farhan is here. Mohammad Farhan. Abdul Rayyan, MEC first year. Abdul Rayyan. CH Varshini, MEC first year. V Sardika, MEC first year. V Sardika, MEC first year. K Sanjana, MEC first year. K Sanjana, MEC first year. G Tanvi, MEC first year. M Yashmita, MEC first year. M Yashmika, MEC first year. A Sahasra Reddy, MEC first year. A Sahasra Reddy, MEC first year. V Anvita Reddy, MEC first year. V Anvita Reddy, MEC first year. Monalisha Pradhan, Monalish Pradhan, MEC first year. M Rishika, MEC first year. M Rishika, MEC first year. R Malati, MEC first year. R Malati, MEC first year. V Bhavana, V Bhavana, MEC first year. P Varsha, P Varsha Hasini, MEC first year. U Ushma Tejini, MEC first year. CEC first year. A Archana from CEC first year. M Chandini, CEC first year. M Chandini. Shita, CEC first year. Second year. Navya, CEC second year. Navya from CEC second year. Boys, where is the energy? Where is the round of applause? Yeah, Spurti second year. Mokshita, CEC second year. Mokshita, CEC second year. Laba, CEC second year. Preeti from CEC second year. Preeti from CEC second year. Rekha, CEC second year. CEC second year.
Durga sir.
Joshit Yadav from CEC second year. Akash, CEC second year. Akash, CEC section, CEC second year. Dikshit from CEC second year. Sridhar from CEC second year. Sridhar is here. Mani Babu, CEC first year. Tejashwi Kumar, CEC first year.
అలా దింపలేరు రే.
Now, CEC first year. CEC first year. Kanchan from CEC first year. Riddhi, CEC first year. Yashwant, CEC first year. V. Yashwant from CEC first year.
రైట్ చూడు.
Harshavardhan, CEC first year. Harshavardhan, CEC first year. Mohammad Rizwan, CEC first year. N. Sushant, CEC first year. N. Sushant. Ansan Ali, CEC first year. Dikshita, MEC first year. Dikshita, MEC first year. K. Jashwant Reddy, MEC first year. K. Jashwant Reddy, MEC first year. N. Rajesh, MEC first year. MEC first year. Yes, Arjun Aj, MEC first year. Harshit Reddy. Sheikh Minaj, MEC first year. Sheikh Minaj. Narasimha, MEC first year.
ఓకే.
B. Chanti Nayak from CEC first year. So those are the participants for economic exhibits. Now we'll have commerce participants right here. K. Vigna from CEC first year. First year. V. Bindu Priya. Piyush Bhati. Piyush Bhati, CEC first year. Patrick Nashel. Patrick from CEC first year. CEC first year. M. Mokshit, CEC first year. M. Divya, MEC first year. M. Divya, MEC first year. Riya Jha, MEC first year. Riya Jha from MEC first year.
ఓకే ఇటు ఇటు.
Divya, MEC first year. Diya. Mohammad Ahad, CEC first year. Mohammad Ahad from CEC first year. G. Netra, MEC first year. Netra from MEC first year. D. Akshara, CEC first year. D. Akshara from CEC first year. Anshu Nirmal from MEC first year. Hakir, CEC first year. Adil Ramcharan.
Myself Reva from CEC second second year. I thank my principal ma'am for this wonderful opportunity. We have created a lot, many projects. Everyone have showed their talent and we are proud of ourselves. We have brought up very great projects and I hope everyone has seen every project. Every student have worked hard for every project and we thank our mentors. We thank our mentors for explaining such projects and giving us opportunities. I thank Civic sir because he have given us a great opportunity and explained such things. He have helped us in making the project and he have given us topics to tell about things and even we have learned so much of things in making this project. I am proud of my team because they have supported me very well and the project is so good because of our team. I thank Civic sir because of this project.
Thank you for giving these opportunities, great opportunities, to proving ourselves our practical. This will improve our team from CEC second year. And thanks for giving this opportunity. Thanks to everyone and to proving ourselves. They encourage us very lot. Thanks to Civic sir mainly. He has encouraged everything to do everything. And thanks for the management and thanks for the chairman for giving the precious time for us to spend this evening. Thanks a lot.
Gracia from CEC second year. Thank you for the valuable support, Civic sir, and for your guidance and your innovation. We have successful this project. Thank you so much, management, for giving us this opportunity to put our creative ideas. Thank you.
Urmila from MEC first year. Myself, Ritvika from MEC first year. The Smart Nation Fair 2026 helped us very much. It helped us to improve our communication skills, our art and craft techniques and so on. Through this, not only activities but we also had learned about subjects. There are so many subjects like economics, commerce and civics. All these three subjects had different topics which helped us to learn about the subject and it helped us to improve and interact with all others, and the moment when we were communicating with the teachers or the parents or the students, it helped us to know what the other person thinks or the communication skills. Thank you.
Thanks to our teachers and all my commerce staff. I am Piyush from Commerce and my project name is Types of Insurance. In this we can find that our commerce plan have helped our project very much and the staff and our project members was also very good with us, and for our project there was many good reactions from the parents. Thank you.
I'm Ritika from CEC first year. I would thank my college for this opportunity. I've basically done the College of Overpopulation and I would love to participate next time. And because of this project, I've known many things which I didn't knew before. Just thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good afternoon to everyone. I'm Ashini. I have performed in the economics group and our project is 16 welfares of the Telangana. Here we have known many things along with the studies like we have came to know about all the new things about the state of Telangana and the 16 projects in that were performed in that. And also we have communicated with the teachers, parents as well as all the students of the other branches. So we felt that it was very really and nicely good and it was very supporting to us regarding our studies and education. So we thank all the staff of the Omega Elite and also we request the staff to.
Good afternoon everyone. I am from CEC A section, myself Anya, and we have made our project on Judiciary of India. It helped us to understand about different codes and fundamental rights so that we can get to know about the society and help each other during any situations, and we are very happy to participate in this Smart Nation Fair and we are very thank you. Good afternoon everyone, myself Srivathi from CEC section A. I thank all the teachers and my dear principal ma'am for giving us this opportunity to learn more about the world. Thank you ma'am. The project work is done. It was really helpful for us and thank you for organizing this wonderful exhibition. Thank you ma'am.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Kavita. I am very thankful I'm coming here
My project is Election Commission in India. Firstly, I am saying thank you for everyone. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
Is Tejashwini. My project is Election Commission of India. I am thankful for Principal Ma'am, all the faculty members. Thank you so much.
I'm Malati, MEC A section. I thank my economics ma'am for giving me this opportunity. My project is Kalyana Lakshmi scheme. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is M. Rajeshwar. I have completed my Bachelor of Arts, Masters in Political Science, and also I have completed my LLB. I qualified AAB exam, and presently I am pursuing LLB. So I am here civics faculty. My designation is civics. So the idea behind this Smart Nation Fair is Principal Ma'am. Principal Ma'am called me and said that we have to plan one program. So that Smart Nation Fair, that's what the Smart Nation Fair concept is. So whoever participates in civics, economics, commerce, they perform very well. I am very happy today because even chairman, vice chairman also very happy. So the next upcoming program would be Vote for Change. The same how the Smart Nation Fair is conducted, the same like that from civics, I will conduct one more program that is Vote for Change. Later on I will plan again mock assembly. So I am very thank you, and thank to all my civics team members who are directors, who are members of that project. I am very, very happy. You have done very well. All the first year girls and the second year girls and second year boys who have done these projects very well. I mean, today I am very satisfied, purely satisfied. So I am very thank you. Thank you so much.
సో ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ పాల్పంచుకున్నారు మీ యొక్క
I think
మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు చేశారు కదా ఎంతమంది
in
స్టూడెంట్స్
my project there are completely 7 teams. In 7 teams, approximately 35 to 40 members.
సో వాళ్ళకి ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది ఇది
సో వాళ్ళకి ఎలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది అంటే 100% వాళ్ళ క్రియేటివిటీ ఇన్నోవేషన్ అనేది మనం బుక్స్ చదివిస్తే రాదు. బుక్స్ అనేది కేవలం బట్టిఫై. ఆల్ ద అదర్ కాలేజ్ వాట్ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఇస్ మగప్, సిలబస్ ని మగప్ చేయడం, చదివేయడం. అది మనకు అవసరం లేదు. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి, స్టూడెంట్ లో ఉన్న క్రియేటివిటీ బయట తీయాలి. వాళ్ళ స్కిల్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ ఇన్నోవేషన్ ఏంటి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ మొత్తం క్రియేటివిటీ స్కిల్ మీదే డిపెండ్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ ఎవర్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లెట్ మీ గివ్, నేను ఒక ఫ్యాకల్టీ. సో నాలాగనే చాలా మంది మాస్టర్ చేస్తారు, కానీ అందరు ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఇవ్వలేదు కదా. కావాలి ఒక స్కిల్ కావాలి. సో అట్లా స్కిల్, క్రియేటివిటీ ఉంటే 100% అతను లైఫ్ లో సర్వైవ్ అవుతుంది.
సో కొంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ పాల్గొన్నారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళ పరిస్థితి ఏంది?
నో అట్లా ఏం లేదు సార్. వీ హ్యావ్ వాట్ మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో పర్ఫామ్ చేయలేదో వాళ్ళకి ఇంకో ఆపర్చునిటీ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఆపర్చునిటీలో ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళు పార్టిసిపేట్ అవ్వచ్చు. అండ్ ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే వాళ్ళ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద బేస్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మనం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లేకుండా తీసుకుపోయి వాళ్ళని ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయడం అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు అని నా ఒపీనియన్. సో ఎవరైతే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయలేదు, రిమైనింగ్ మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు 100% ఆపర్చునిటీ మళ్ళీ అప్కమింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో.
మేనేజ్మెంట్ కోఆపరేషన్ ఎలా ఉంది మరి?
అండ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కోఆపరేషన్ విషయంలో 100% సక్సెస్. ఎందుకంటే మా ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ మాకు ఎప్పుడు మోటివేషన్, మాకు ఎప్పుడు ఎంకరేజ్. మా ప్రిన్సిపల్ మ్యామ్ కానీ, వైస్ చైర్మన్ మ్యామ్ కానీ, చైర్మన్ సార్ కానీ, వాట్ ఎవర్ వీ కండక్ట్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ 100% సపోర్ట్ ఉంది. వాళ్ళ 100% సపోర్ట్ లేదే మేము ఇది ఎంత పెద్దగా ఆర్గనైజ్ అయితే.
సో జనరల్ గా ఫేర్ అనగానే సైన్స్ ఫేర్ అన్నట్టుగానే ఉంటుంది మన సమాజం. సో మరి దీన్ని ఎలా చూడాలి?
పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే చాలా మందికి అర్థమయ్యాల్సిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే సైన్స్ ఫేర్ జనరల్ గా మన పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్ లో కూడా సైన్స్, ఇది సైన్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అని హ్యుమానిటీస్ బోత్ మిక్స్ ఉంటారు. సో మేము ఏ దానికి తీసుకుపోము అనమాట. చాలా మంది అంటారు బైపీసీ, ఎంపీసీ అక్కడే పోవాలి, ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తీసుకో. నో, వాట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బికమ్ an IAS officer, you have to pursue this. You have to become an advocate, you have to pursue this. Whatever, we are social engineers. Of course they are engineers, but we are social. Society ni construct chesedi, society ni organized manner lo mundu iskapoyedi, we are the humanities people are. So whoever ఇంతవరకు మీరు సైన్స్ ఫేర్ చూసింటారు, ఇప్పుడు ఇంత పెద్ద స్మార్ట్ నేషన్ ఫేర్, దాంట్లో సివిక్స్ ఉంది, ఎకనామిక్స్ ఉంది, కామర్స్ ఉంది. అంటే మా స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా దేనికి తగ్గరు అన్నమాట. సో we are capable enough, we how the MPC are capable, we are more capable enough.